Efectos especiales.
Que no se suba, No mames, gordo.
Toma la tuya, güey.
Efectos especiales.
Efectos especiales. Se ve chingón, ¿sabes? Fuck.
I guess they're there too. What car you think?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. This is the Daft family.
So today, guys, we're going to the Nickelodeon Slime Fest. We purchased the tickets, what, about like 2 months ago?
2 months ago.
About 2 months ago for Fabian's birthday. There's Baby in.
And the baby, the other
Are you
baby.
excited? Yeah? And Damon is over here. We've never been there. It's our first time. We did look at some videos to see like what goes on there and stuff. It looks fun. I know for sure Pitbull is gonna be performing.
That's the reason I'm going there.
An update on where we are. We're actually driving on Lakeshore Drive. Here we go.
Such a beautiful day. About 68 degrees, 70.
Yeah.
Not hot.
So we are about 22 minutes away.
All right, guys. So we're here on Lakeshore Drive, like Dulce said, and look, the bridge is lifting. I've never seen this before. Look at that. I think that's pretty cool. No wonder there's a whole bunch of traffic. So tell us, Fabi's, how are you feeling about today's event?
Really happy.
You happy? Okay, what else?
What are you looking forward to do?
Big giant slime and watch the show.
Say it to the camera.
And watch Pitbull,
No.
right?
No.
No?
That's not
Oh,
what he wants.
yeah, sure, I can watch him.
But there's gonna be other YouTubers, right?
Why isn't the CEO doing it?
All right, guys. So finally, we were able to park the car. Now we're actually heading to the fest. How much do we have to walk? I have no freaking idea. We'll see in a second. All right, guys. Look at this beautiful view. Lake Michigan.
Next step, like I saw learn. Mike, I don't know I'm by the side. Mama, you know the drill. They don't know when I got to the rear wheel. I ain't trying to keep it real. I'm trying to keep well, that's for real. But I don't think I can look up when. I can look up through. Baby, no matter más. Y tírame la mano chula. No games, no scenes. You can put the blame on me. Dale muñequita. Yes, sir. Shut down. Put your hands in the sky. Let's go, let's press it. Give us a breath. So once again, we want to say thank you for the opportunity. It's a true blessing to be able to travel the whole world and perform for folks. Thank God for that. Thanks to the fans for that. But the best part is to see how music brings everybody together. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Dale. ¿Cómo? Vamos a la fiesta. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Echa pa' allá, todo lo malo echa pa' allá. Sube las manos para arriba.
Alright, so we gotta find the exit, right? Nope. Nope. This is gonna confuse him. This way, yep. Oh my god, I got dizzy already, man. Holy shit. Oh, go. This way, puppy, this way. That was quick, man. I got super dizzy. Go.
Hey guys, a little update. We finally made it home. I got my JoJo bow on. It was pretty fun. I had fun. Pitbull was fine, great, I would say. Fabian had a lot of fun. He's actually showering now because he got a lot of slime on him. Other than that, everything turned out well. Damon was very good. He did not fuss at all. Such a good baby right now. He's actually awake, but anyways. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn in your notification button or little bell so you get notified every time we have a new, so you can get notified every time we post a video. But other than that, see you next time. Now we're gonna eat. We're just going to we're gonna eat. We got a movie and we're just gonna relax because it was super tiring. We walked a little bit. It was a little tiring, but we had fun. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and until next time, doodles.